make this Manhattan, you will need 50 ml of rye whiskey. I'm using Michter's straight rye, or you could use bourbon for a slightly sweeter Manhattan. 20 ml of sweet vermouth. I'm using Antica Formula, but you could go with Martini Rosso or Cinzano Rosso, just be a little bit of a lighter cocktail. 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, an orange twist, and some good quality cocktail cherries. I'm going with Morello. You'll also need a jigger, a mixing glass, a bar spoon, a julep strainer, a coupe, and some good quality ice. I'm gonna cut a twist from the orange. It doesn't have to look pretty, it's just gonna give you a nice aroma. In your mixing glass, you want to pop in your bitters, 2 big dashes of this, 50 ml of your rye whiskey, and we'll do 20 ml of the sweet vermouth. You want to fill your mixing glass with as much ice as you can fit in there. And then you're gonna stir your drink by placing the back of your bar spoon against the inside of the mixing glass and pushing the ice around. Obviously, this cocktail has a lot of spirit in it, so it does take a little bit of dilution to make it nice and palatable. Especially be conscious of that if you're using a higher proof rye. Once you start to feel the mixing glass get really cold and a little bit frosty, give it a taste. Delicious. Grab your coupe out of the fridge or freezer. Use a julep strainer to hold the ice back and pour into your glass. Grab your orange twist and just give it a sharp fold over the top of the glass so you're getting all of the oils out of the skin. And then last but not least, grab your cherry and pop it in to the bottom of the glass. Obviously you can stick it on a skewer if you like, but I quite like it soaking in the drink, and then that's my last mouthful, is a lovely boozy and sour cherry. A sweet Manhattan, so now you know.